Bookniture is the coolest chair you need. Welcome everybody, thank you for hanging out today. It is Andrew here, and yeah, today we are looking at Bookniture, which the name kinda says it all. It's a piece of furniture that's hidden inside of a book. And believe me, I was skeptical before I looked at this, before I tried it, before I bought one of my own. But I had to see it to believe it, because this really is almost too good to be true. It is a piece of furniture that is so compact and so hidden that you don't even notice it sitting around until you need it. And it is compact enough that you can bring it with you. You can take it with you anywhere you go if you just need that extra piece of furniture. And there's a bunch of other stuff you can do with it. So looking into it, this is it. This is Bookniture in the pine green. Has this pine green linen exterior with these kind of soft cream colored pages on the inside, and of course that cream colored strap as well. Bookniture is also printed down the spine of this, which is good or bad depending on how you look at it when it is in your bookshelf. Clearly it says Bookniture right down the edge. I would have preferred something a little more subtle than the name of the product printed right down there, but it is what it is. Otherwise, you open it up and you instantly see this folded cardboard paper on the inside. Complete that circle all the way around and wrap that piece of elastic around the outside, and boom, you have it already set up. To complete the transformation, just add your cushion along the top. Now, this can act as a stool, as a chair just on its own, but if you add two of these together and you can put a piece of wood across, piece of burn wood or anything you have lying around, boom, you have a stool for multiple people, or stack multiple of these with pieces of wood and you have a shelf. And this thing is very strong. It's easily able to hold my weight as I jump up on here, but it actually says between 800 to 1,000 kilograms, which is an insane amount of weight that this thing can hold. And I love the functionality. I love just having one around, being able to pull this out when we need it, especially on our coffee table here. But I love the idea of being able to stack these and make it into a really awesome looking shelf or a bench. There's just so much you can do. I love these things, and if you want to grab one for yourself and try it out, they come in a bunch of different colors. I'll have the link down below in the description, and let me know what you think over on Twitter at Andrew_OSU.